Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change BMW X7 wiper blades. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the ignition off. Carefully lift both wiper arms away from the windshield until they lock into their service position. Have your new wiper blades ready, along with a soft cloth to clean the windshield if needed. This preparation ensures a smooth replacement process. Now, let's remove the old blades. Look for a small tab or button where the wiper blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade downwards or outwards, depending on your specific model. Hold the wiper arm carefully to prevent it from springing back and potentially damaging your windshield. Repeat this for both wiper blades. With the old blades removed, it's time to install the new ones. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards or inwards until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached before proceeding to the next step. Finally, carefully lower both wiper arms back onto the windshield. Make sure they rest flat against the glass. Before driving, activate your wipers with some washer fluid to test their operation. Observe for smooth, streak-free wiping across the entire windshield. This confirms proper installation and ensures clear visibility for safe driving. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.